Hello, in this video we are going to learn how to apply laws of logarithms to a mathematical problem. And this is our question. Without using a calculator, find the value of 2 log 50 base 10 plus log 80 base 10 minus log 2 base 10. So first, I'm going to summarize for you the laws we are going to use in this question. And the first one will be that log of A plus log of B is equal to log of A times B. Then the second one, the log of A minus log of B is the same as log of A divided by B. And the last one we shall use in that question will be the log of A power n is the same as n log of A. So these are the three laws we are going to use for this particular question. And our question is 2 log 50 base 10 plus log 80 base 10 minus log 2 base 10. Now when you're applying these laws, we are not supposed to apply them in order. It's up to you. You can start with the subtraction, then you apply this one, or you apply them at the same time. So let's start with this subtraction part. So this one will remain the way it is. 2 log 50 log 80 minus log 2. For this, it means that we are going to divide 80 by 2. So it will be plus log of 80 divided by 2. Our bases are 10. So a number, if it doesn't have a base, a logarithm, if it doesn't have a base, it means it is to base 10. So never worry about forgetting the base 10. So that is 2 log 50 plus 80 divided by 2, you get 40. So it is log 40 base 10 base 10. So in the second part, we are going to apply this last law to this first number, that 2 log 50, it is the same as n log A, it will equal to log A power n. So we are going to take this 2 up to be a power of 50. So it is log 50 power 2 plus log 40, our bases are 10. And then what is 50 squared? That will be log 2500 base 10 plus log 40 base 10. Now we are going to apply our first law of addition. Addition, we multiply the numbers. So we are going to multiply these numbers, and that will give us log 2500 times 40 base 10, which will give us log 100,000 when you multiply these two numbers. 100,000 base 10. And log 100,000 base 10, we go back to our laws. We are going to apply this, but before applying it, you have to write that 100,000 as a power of 10. So Writing 100,000 as a power of 10, it is easy. You just write 10 with the number of zeros you have. We have 5 zeros, so it is 10 power 5 with the base 10. So applying the last law, this 5 goes in front. And that will give us 5 log 10 base 10. But not log a base a is the same as 1. So log 10 base 10 is 1. So that will give us 5 times 1, which is 5. So our answer to the question is 5. Thank you.